Imagine this. You're scrolling through TikTok and your video suddenly goes viral. Millions of views pour in, and your bank account starts to grow. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with TikTok's new creativity program, it's not. Unlike YouTube Shorts, TikTok offers a much higher pay rate. Instead of the typical low RPM, you can earn over $1 per 1,000 views. That means a million-view video could net you a cool $1,000. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a professional videographer or writer to create viral content. I created this entire video using AI. No script writing, no filming, and no need to show your face. This method works for virtually any niche, from gaming to cooking to comedy. In this video, I'll break down the exact steps I took to create this AI video. To get started, click the link in the description to visit Wondershare Virbo. Once you've signed up, download the Virbo app for Windows or use it online. For this tutorial, I'll be using the desktop app. Before we dive into Wondershare Virbo, let's brainstorm some killer video ideas that will captivate your audience. We'll ask ChatGPT to suggest 25 viral topics based on your niche and faceless channel concept. Once we have our list, we'll select one that perfectly aligns with your brand and interests. Now, let's create our AI masterpiece. Start by opening the Virbo app and selecting Create Video. Choose a 9:16 aspect ratio for a perfect fit. Next, select an AI avatar from Virbo's vast library and customize it to match your brand's style. For a professional look, choose a fixed background. Let's give our avatar a voice. Select a voice from Virbo's 460+ options, ensuring it aligns with your target audience. Now, use the AI script generator to create a tailored script based on your viral video idea. Let's bring our script to life. Copy the script to a notepad for easy editing. Start by customizing the subtitle to match your brand's aesthetic. Play around the style, colors, and font. Once you're done, paste the first sentence or line of your script. Now, let's add some visual flair. Click the plus icon, select a template, and add your second line. To make it more engaging, add images, videos, stickers, or emojis. Adjust them to your preference. Repeat this process until you reach the outro. For the outro, there's no need to start from scratch. Simply duplicate the first scene and add your outro script. Let's add the finishing touch. Choose background music that complements the mood and tone of your video. Adjust the volume to 15 to ensure it doesn't overpower the visuals or narration. Once you're satisfied, click Export and watch your AI video come to life.
Prepare to be astounded as we unravel the mind-blowing truth behind the top 10 unresolved mysteries in history. Embark on a thrilling quest to uncover the hidden secrets of the past. Brace yourself to be captivated by the enigmatic enigma surrounding the Roanoke colonists who vanished without a trace. Explore the mysterious powers of the infamous Bermuda Triangle, a puzzling enigma that has baffled the world for ages. Step into the enigmatic realm of ancient Egypt's mystical pyramids, where timeless legends collide with unfathomable wisdom. Join us as we unravel the inscrutable clues scattered throughout history to expose the elusive identity of Jack the Ripper. Get ready for an exhilarating journey through time, where enigmatic puzzles and mind-bending mysteries await. Prepare to witness history unfold in ways you never imagined with our remarkable top 10 unresolved mysteries in history.
That's a wrap. You've just learned how to create viral TikTok videos using the powerful AI tool, Wondershare Virbo. Armed with this knowledge, you're one step closer to TikTok stardom. Remember, the key to success is creativity, consistency, and a bit of luck. So, start experimenting, have fun, and let your imagination run wild. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to create engaging tech videos with Wondershare Virbo. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a reviewer, or a tutorial creator, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips. I'll cover everything from choosing the right tech topic to crafting compelling scripts and using AI to enhance your visuals. So stay tuned and let's level up your TikTok game together.